What's up, everyone? Today I got a question regarding what's the difference between local service ads versus Google regular ads. So now let's move on to the question first, and then you can see that how we can answer it. So the question is local service ads versus regular Google ads. I just came on as the only marketing person for. Service business with 7 in-person locations. The previous marketer didn't have much experience, so I'm having to basically unravel what they did and set everything up properly, which is making things extremely confusing. I want to have our ads show up on the map list, so I'm setting up local survey ads. But then I discovered that our ads are already showing up occasionally in the map list. Anyway, the previous person set up 4 Google Ads campaigns, no LSA. Why are the ads showing up in the LSA spot if we haven't set up a LSA account? Basically, I have a billion question. Do I need to set up both Google ads and local service ads? What is the difference between local service ads and Google ads? Can I set up local service ads, map ads within Google ads? Is there a purpose of having both? Okay, so let me answer your question. Okay, because you know that you may be surprised on the previous person have not set up any special campaign, still their ads are being showing on the Google map. So then what's the purpose of LSA ads? Okay, so let me educate you on the first thing, that if you're running your Google ads, your ads can still be shown on Google maps. You just have to link your Google My Business profile with your Google ads account, and then your ads will be shown whenever someone searches on your map. Your ad will be shown. Now the question is, then what's the local service ads is? Local service ads is basically a Google Ads service where you do not have to pay for each click, but rather you have to pay per lead, plus you also get a Google guaranteed badge. It's slightly expensive to run local service ads, but they are being shown and being recommended by Google, which gives them a priority. Plus you do not have to pay for a click, but rather for paying a leads. So for those who don't know, you can just search this local service ads on Google, and you will see a special local page over here where you can see you can choose your offer and get a credit as well. Plus they have a specific services where you can see, and you can see that the Google guaranteed, as I told you, will also be shown with your business, making your business more authenticative in the eyes of the user, and users are going to prefer it. But it's expensive, have a one time cost as well, and need a professional like us to help you in setting up. So just in case if you need our help in setting up those ads for local service ads, yes, we can help you. But in either way, you can run your ads in Google Map without LSA, but the LSA helps you in getting the profit. Google screened, Google approved, batch mark, plus you get Google guaranteed, plus you do not have to pay for each click in the regular formula, but you have to pay per lead, which makes it a preferred option for those who want to run on local map results. They are ideally for like engineers, roofers, or providing a local service like doctor, home service, or something which is something which has a concern on being shown on the Google map. So ideally it is for them, not for those who run nationwide offers or who do not have a visiting. You do not have to visit them, or they do not have to visit you. In those scenarios, you may not need to run for LSA. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need our services, me and my team, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza, and I'm an owner for Google Partner Company. So in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope I answered your question as well. Take care. Bye bye.